Everyone, welcome to Unacademy. I welcome all of you to this CMAT Excel batch for CMAT 2023, guys. Today we are going to discuss the PYQs of QADI section for CMAT 2018 slot 2. These are actual questions which appeared in CMAT 2018 slot 2. We'll be discussing entire QADI section today in this video. So let me introduce myself. My name is Ashish. I'm a STEM faculty. Got 9 plus up to 10 plus 10 plus years of teaching experience, and you can be a part of my very fast growing Unacademy official Unacademy Telegram channel. You just have to search Unacademy _ Ashish in the Telegram link in the Telegram app, and you'll reach to my channel. The link of my official Telegram channel is also in the description. Nevertheless, don't forget to apply your success code ASK10 to obtain maximum possible discount on your next plus or iconic subscription, guys. Chalo, I know I'm completely visible and audible, perfectly visible and audible. Let's start today's session. Hello, Atul. Don't forget to join me daily at 9 p.m. We started this yesterday and we will do this exercise till CMAT 2023. The channel would be Unacademy CAT YouTube channel. All the classes would be completely free of cost, and what we will be doing, we will be attempting PYQs first, and based on PYQs we will have this analysis to give that which topics are more important, which are less important, and then priority wise we will do topic wise practice and then mocks, and we will conduct multiple doubt sessions as well. Great. So without wasting much of our time, let's start with the exercise. That's the first question, which was asked in 2018 CMAT slot 2. What is the probability of getting a 9 or 10 on a single throw of 2 dice? Now, those who are watching this video later on, pause this, attempt this. There is no point in watching the solution directly. Pause this video, attempt it, give yourself a minute or two, come back, watch the solution. Okay, the level of question in CMAT, all of us know, is on the easier side. Okay, guys. So this was the first question. What is the probability of getting a 9 or 10 on a single throw of 2 dices? So we are throwing 2 dices. And what is the probability that sum on those dices would be either 9 or 10? Okay. So first of all, what is the sample space? What is sample space? Sample space is something which is called all possible outcomes for any event. Okay. So sample space is 36. 6 into 6, 36 is my sample space. There could be 36 possible outcomes. Okay. Out of those, the favorable ones are, what are the favorable ones? Favorable is, we want the sum to be 9. We want sum to be 9. We want sum to be 9. And for sum to be 9, what are the possibilities? Either it could be 4, 5, 5, 4, or it could be 3, 6, 6, 3. The numbers on the left, they represent the number that first dice obtains, and the number on the right, which is on the second dice. So favorable is sum 9 or sum 10. You want sum 10. How sum 10 is possible? Sum 10 is possible as 4 plus 6, 6 plus 4, and 5 plus 5. So there are 4 favorable outcomes for us to have sum 9, and there are 3 favorable outcomes for us to have sum 10. Total there are 7 outcomes. 4 plus 3, 4 outcomes over here, 3 outcomes over here. So favorable outcomes is 7. Okay. So probability would be favorable upon sample space 7 upon 36 was the right answer to this question. A question you could have solved orally as well. Most of the questions, there would be 20 questions that you will be getting in CMAT this year. At least 16 to 17 question would be solved orally. Okay. What Raman sir teaches us? Raman teaches you quant. Yes, he's teaching you quant. I believe he's a quant faculty working with an academy. Okay. Chalo. Let's move to next question. The length of a room exceeds its breadth by 2 meters. Okay. ठीक है, very nice. Uh, GDPI का डर. अरे नहीं रे. GDPI इट्स इजी यार. GDPI जितना आपको डर लगता है GDPI के लिए ना, इतना है नहीं. We will conduct exercises on GDPI. We do conduct every year. ठीक है. आपका डर निकल जाएगा if you have some. Okay, चलो अभी फोकस करते हैं इस पे. The length of a room exceeds its breadth by 2 meters. तो अगर हमने breadth को हमने b assume किया, what would be length? Length is b plus 2 then. बोलो yes sir. Okay. And the area would be then? Area would be then b into b plus 2. Correct. If the length is increased by 4, if you increase the length by 4, so new length कितना हो जाएगा dear? b plus 2. This is increased by 4. So the new length is b plus 6. And breadth is decreased by 2. New breadth कितना है छोटू? New breadth is b minus 2. So new area would be how much? New area would be b minus 2 into b plus 6. Now the area remains the same. What they are saying that the area in both of the cases is same. I can proudly write b into b plus 2 is as good as b minus 2 b plus 6. बोलो yes sir. You have to solve this for b. आपको ये b के लिए सॉल्व करना है. एक इक्वेशन, एक वेरिएबल, इट कैन बी सॉल्व. यस सर. b स्क्वायर प्लस 2b इक्वल्स b स्क्वायर प्लस 6b माइनस 2b माइनस 12. b स्क्वायर से b स्क्वायर कैंसिल आउट हो गया डियर. ओके. व्हाट डू वी गेट? 2b इक्वल्स 12, b इक्वल्स 6, b मिल गया 6. So what is L? L is length is breadth is 6. So L length is 6 plus 2 8. So these are the dimensions. Breadth is 6 and breadth is 6. This is 6 and this is 8. Okay. Now what is asked finally? Find the surface area of its walls if the height is 3 meters. Surface area of 4 walls. Okay. So what would be the surface area of 4 walls? Okay. पहले तो dimension क्या होगा? Dimension would be the height in each case is given as 3. Height तो 3 है. एक वॉल जो है ब्रेथ के अलॉन्ग होगा, दूसरा जो है लेंथ के अलॉन्ग होगा, एंड दोनों का एक एक कॉपी. देयर आर 4 वॉल्स ना. सो व्हाट वुड बी द एरिया ऑफ दिस वॉल? 18 एंड दिस वुड बी 24. इन दोनों का एक एक और वॉल होगा, आइडेंटिकल वॉल्स. So what is the total area in this case? What is the total area? It would be 42. 18 plus 24 cross 2. Total is 84. answer to this question was 84. Right now ना we are discussing this PYQs. हम लोग थियरी इसका डिटेल में करेंगे once we are done with the PYQs. अभी हम क्वांट टीआई की PYQ कर रहे हैं. Side by side we'll start PYQs of LR as well. Okay. चलो. Shall we move to the next question? Yes sir, let's move to the next question. Meanwhile, अगर आपको कुछ डाउट आए, feel free to ask in the comment box. And those who will watch this video later on, आप comment में डाल देना. Or what you can do, a better option is join my Telegram channel. You can ask any of your doubts personally. Link of the Telegram channel is in the description. That's the third question, which was asked in CMAT 2018 Shift 2. A bus covers a distance of 50 kilometers. Okay. 50 kilometers in 40 minutes. Next 50 at a speed of 2 kilometers per minute. And the next 30 at the speed of 1 kilometer per minute. Okay. So the journey is divided in 3 parts. Let us say A say B, and then B say C, and then C to D. 50 kilometers in what time? 40 minutes. Another 50 kilometers at 2 kilometers per minute. What would be the time taken? The time that in second part in BC, it's covering 2 kilometers in 1 minute. To cover 50 kilometers, you need 25 minutes. You need 25 minutes, okay. And last but not the least, last 30 kilometers at 1 kilometer per minute. So you'll need 30 minutes. You need to figure out average speed during the entire journey. The only formula that we can use is total distance upon total time. Average speed is given as total distance. There is no other formula in the world. Upon total time. What is the total distance over here? Total distance is 50 plus 50 plus 30, 130. And total time. देखो यहाँ किलोमीटर पर आर में expected है. So we'll convert these this time into R. So 40, 30, 70, 95. So it's 95 by 60 hours. Bolo yes sir. It would be 95 upon 60 hours. Solve it. 130 cross 60 upon 95. Okay. अब इसको सॉल्व करोगे, यूज द कैलकुलेटर, इट वुड बी समवेयर अराउंड 82.1 kmph. When you use calculator, this would be somewhere around 82.1 kmph. Okay. There is no calculator allowed in CMAT examination. वहाँ पे आपको ये करना पड़ेगा. Yes, there is no calculator for CMAT. वहाँ पे आपको ये करना पड़ेगा. Yes. चलो, और ये करना है क्योंकि the values are close enough. दो values है. They are बेस्ट बुक फॉर CMAT सेल्फ स्टडी क्वांट के लिए RS अग्रवाल यार. और टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, बेस्ट क्या होगा आपके लिए? क्वांट एंड LR के लिए, DI के लिए भी कोई भी बैंकिंग की एक बुक खरीद लो और कर लो. CMAT का सिलेबस DI और LR का इज सेम टू दैट ऑफ बैंकिंग एग्जामिनेशंस. ठीक है. CMAT के नाम पे 2-3 बुक्स है मार्केट में, बट उससे बेटर कंटेंट आपको बैंकिंग के बुक्स में मिल जाएगा. मार्केट में जाओ, किरण पब्लिकेशन का कोई बुक चेकआउट करो, आपके एरिया में होगा कोई बुक स्टोर. गो टू दैट बुक स्टोर, आस्क हिम किरण पब्लिकेशन बैंकिंग बुक, check the topic, you'll see the same topics. And go for it. Okay, topic wise prepare कर लो. चलो, three wheels making 60, 36, and 24 revolutions in a minute start with a certain point in their circumference onwards. Okay, there are three wheels. First one is making wheel one is having 60 revolutions per minute. Okay, so what we will do for one revolution for one revolution wheel one will take how much time? So it's making 60 revolutions in 60 seconds. 60 revolutions in 60 seconds. It would be one revolution 1 second. It will take 1 second. Wheel 1 will complete one revolution in 1 second. Wheel 2 will take how much time? It is having 60 revolutions in 36 seconds. Okay, so 5 by 3 seconds. And wheel 3 is making 24 revolutions in 60 seconds. So for one revolution wheel 3 will take 5 by 2 seconds. बोलो yes sir. So what does this mean? Check this out. इस टाइप के किसी भी क्वेश्चन में what is the logic? पहले what does this 1 second mean? This 1 second means wheel 1 makes a revolution in 1 second. So after every 1 second it is completing one revolution. 1 second के बाद it is completing one revolution. Another revolution, another 1 second. Third revolution, another 1 second. Similarly, wheel 2 is making revolutions in 5 by 3 seconds. 5 by 3 seconds. So after every 5 by 3 seconds, it will make a revolution. This is not the agenda of this session. YouTube ban me. Abhi we are into something different. If you want to discuss regarding the same, connect with me personally over Telegram. My Telegram channel is in the link. वहाँ से आप मैसेज ड्रॉप कर दो, ठीक है? Anything related to CMAT we can discuss. Okay. Very nice. Sorry. So and W3 after every 5 by 2 seconds it will make a revolution. You want all of them to come again in the same position. So what are we expecting? All of them are completing their revolution together. Okay. I know that wheel 1 will complete revolution in 1 second, then in 2 seconds, then in 3 seconds, then in 4 seconds, and so on. This will complete in 5 by 3, and then 2 into 5 by 3, and then 3 into 5 by 3. Okay. This will complete in 5 by 2, 2 into 5 by 2, 3 into 5 by 2. So what I am expecting? A common multiple. If I have a common multiple, suppose x is here, and x is here, which means at x, all of them are going to start a new revolution. So at x, they are having the same position. Okay. So I'm looking for a common multiple. Okay. I'm looking for a common multiple. I want it to be the very first time. I am looking for least common multiple. If I want it to be for the very first time, I'm looking for least common multiple. Okay, that is LCM. I'm looking for LCM of what? I'm looking for LCM of 1, 5 by 3 and 5 by 2. That would be my answer. I want a multiple which is common to all of them. And if I want it to be for the very first time, I'm looking for least common multiple. So answer to this question was least common multiple of 1, 5 by 3 and 5 by 2. And how to calculate the LCM of fractions? The method is LCM of numerators upon HCF of denominators. Okay. So LCM of numerators, LCM of 155 and HCF of denominators, HCF of 132. HCF of 155 is 5, HCF of 132 is 1. Answer to this question was 5 by 1, 5 seconds. Answer to this question was 5 by 1, 5 seconds. Got it? Gaurav, innovation and entrepreneurship for CMAT and GK for CMAT we will be covering in this course. Don't worry. Excel batch में we will be covering it. सबसे पहले हम लोग अभी PYQs कर रहे हैं बेटा. सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? PYQs कर रहे हैं. हम लोग PYQs करेंगे किसका? QA का. हम लोग PYQ करेंगे LR का. ठीक है? Complete 2018 to 2022. We will complete this entire thing in a week. Okay, and then we will start topic wise discussion of these topics. ठीक है? And उस वक्त we will be conducting sessions on GK and IE. IE के लिए you need not to worry. बहुत कम टाइम में हो जाएगा वो. हाँ, it will be on YouTube only. It will be on YouTube only. Okay? तो बहुत कम टाइम लगेगा. We'll need 8 to 10 sessions. वो हम लोग YouTube पे करेंगे. Okay? Don't worry. Let's move to next question. Okay. देखो, agenda of this session is not speed. Okay. अब PYQs में don't expect हर एक सेशन का एजेंडा होता है और you should be very clear कि हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या सीख रहे हैं, क्या फायदा होगा. So we are conducting this PYQ series only to make you guys understand कि किस लेवल के क्वेश्चन आते हैं. ठीक है? यहाँ पर कैलकुलेशन स्पीड या फिर अगर और कोई दिक्कत आ रही है तो that will be taken care of in future. यहाँ पर the only thing to concentrate is क्वेश्चन का लेवल कैसा है, आपको क्वेश्चन समझ रहा है नहीं समझ रहा है, और नहीं समझ रहा है तो ये हमें करना है. That's the agenda. Okay? A certain amount of money invested at 10% per annum compounded 10% per annum compound interest for 2 years became 2000. Very nice, very nice. So for 2 years, what do we have here? The rate of interest is 10%, 10%. Okay, and it became 2000. And this is a case of compound interest. Now, in case of compound interest, what is the overall interest earned in 2 years? We cannot add it straight away, na? It would be 10 plus 10 plus 10 into 10 by 100. 21%. Yes or no? So I can write a principal. This is my principal. That principal into 1.21 times is 2000. Bolo yes sir. Principal multiplied by 1.21 is 2000. So my principal would be 2000 divided by 1.21. And again, unfortunately, they have given two close options. Unfortunately, they have given two close options. ठीक है? Hence आपको ये calculate करना पड़ेगा. And when you calculate this, you will figure out it is close to 1653. It is close to 1653. बोलो yes sir. बोलो yes sir. Shall we move ahead to the next question? अच्छा देखो, आपको समझ रहा है ना? अगर समझ रहा है तो लिखो hashtag समझा. What if it was given on SI? If it was SI, then SI में ना बेटा हम straight away ऐड कर देते हैं. This is for CI. और अगर SI के केस में होता ना सेम, तो हम क्या करते हैं इसको, SI हो जाता मेरा 20%, 10 plus 10, वो उसमें straight away ऐड हो जाता है 20%. And then हम क्या करते हैं, P into 1.2 equals 2000. And then principal would have been 2000 upon 1.2. ओके, ये हम स्ट्रेट अवे कर देते हैं. एसआई में स्ट्रेट अवे ऐड हो जाता है. सीआई में एसपीसी का यूज होता है. द इंटरेस्ट इज ओवर द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ लास्ट ईयर. हाँ, वी कैन यूज. ठीक है, इसका एक और तरीका क्या हो सकता था? व्हाट यू कुड हैव डन इज P into 1.1 into 1.1 equals 2000. एक ही बात है. ये अप्रोच इट्स द सेम थिंग, ठीक है, इट्स द सेम थिंग. It's at 9 p.m. on daily basis. It's at 9 p.m. on daily basis. In addition to 9 p.m. हम लोग 2 p.m. को भी क्लासेस रखेंगे, बट 9 p.m. तो डेली होगा. Check out for 2 p.m. as well. Additional class we are planning to conduct multiple sessions a day. So 2 p.m. को भी होगा. जैसे कल tomorrow I'm having session at 2 and 9 both. Tomorrow I have session at 2 p.m. and 9 p.m. both. 2 p.m. and 9 p.m. both. 2 p.m. पे I'll be discussing CMAT 2019 QA and here I'll be discussing CMAT 2020 QA. Okay, so tomorrow we'll be conducting sessions at 2 p.m. and 9 p.m. at both of the timings. Okay, चलो, very nice. But 9 p.m. तो daily होगा, additional हुआ तो 2 p.m. Let's move to the next question. The height of a right circular cone is increased by 200% and the radius of the base is reduced by 50%. Then the volume of the cone. Again देखो, इसका एक लंबा तरीका हो सकता है. Okay, इसका एक लंबा तरीका हो सकता है. इसके हम दो तरीके डिस्कस कर लेंगे. आ जाओ, इसके दो तरीके डिस्कस कर लेंगे, मेथड 1 एंड मेथड 2. आप जिससे भी कंफर्टेबल हो आप उसको फॉलो कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, मेथड 1, ठीक है. और इसमें क्या गिवन है, द हाइट ऑफ अ राइट सर्कुलर कोन इज इंक्रीज्ड बाय 200%. तो व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ कोन, राइट सर्कुलर कोन क्या है? कम ऑन गाइस, बोलो फटाफट. हाँ, इसको एसपीसी से कर, एसपीसी से जल्दी हो जाता है. नहीं, एसपीसी से जल्दी हो जाता है. देखो, हाइट हैज गॉन अप बाय हाउ मच? हाइट हैज गॉन अप बाय 200%. हाइट हैज गॉन अप बाय 200%. हाइट जो है वो 200% से ऊपर गया. और रेडियस इज ठीक हुआ क्या? चलो ठीक है. हाँ, एंड रेडियस इज डिक्रीज बाय 50%. ओके, देखो वॉल्यूम 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच होता है इसका. 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच होता है. ओके, सो एक तो आप इसके साथ खेल सकते हो. ठीक है, वॉल्यूम न्यू निकाल सकते हो. वॉल्यूम न्यू would be 1/3 pi r/2 whole square into 3h. एक तो आप ये कर सकते थे. ठीक है, इसको आगे बढ़ जाओ, इसको सॉल्व कर लो, क्या मिलता है आपको. ठीक है, तो इट वुड बी 1/3 pi r square h into 3/4. ओके, into 3/4. सो देखो, ये तो सेम है, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3/4. सो द वॉल्यूम हैज रिड्यूस्ड बाय 1/4. अगर इस वाले वैल्यू को हम x बोल दे, इस वाले को समझने के लिए अगर हम x बोल दे, इस वाली चीज को x बोल दे, तो ये 3x/4 हो रहा है ना. सो x से 3x/4, x से 3x/4, there is reduction of 1/4. There is reduction of 1/4, minus 1/4 है. So there is decrease of 25%. There is decrease of 25%. ये आपका एक अप्रोच हो गया. Okay. The second approach could be, देखो, आपके पास हाइट 200% से इंक्रीज हो रहा है. हाइट 200% से इंक्रीज हो रहा है और रेडियस 50% से डिक्रीज हो रहा है. रेडियस दो बार है. 50% एंड -50%. ओके, अब देखो बेटा, ये जो मेथड है ना, ये एसपीसी से आता है. एसपीसी यू विल लर्न इन परसेंटेजेस, सक्सेसिव परसेंटेज चेंज. और अगर आपने प्रैक्टिस करा होगा तो आपको ये समझेगा, एल्स आपको नहीं समझेगा. दिस इज वन ऑफ द एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ एसपीसी. एसपीसी इज ट्रूली एप्लीकेबल इन प्रोडक्ट जहां भी प्रोडक्ट है वहां पे आप एसपीसी लगा सकते हो. सो यू हैव दीज थ्री वैल्यूज. इनका आपको एसपीसी करना है, इनका आपको एसपीसी करना है. ओके, पहले आप इन दोनों का एसपीसी निकाल लो. 200 माइनस 50 एंड प्लस 200 इंटू माइनस 50 अपॉन 100. ये जाएगा 2 टाइम्स में. ठीक है, what we will be left with 0. ओके, ये हो जाएगा 200 माइनस 50 एंड दिस इज माइनस 100. विल बी लेफ्ट विथ 50. सो इसका एसपीसी हो गया 50, इन दोनों का एसपीसी हो गया 50. अब इसको हम लोग इसके साथ करते हैं. 3 नंबर का एसपीसी कैसे निकलता है? ना 50 एंड माइनस 50. सो दैट इज 50 प्लस, ये आप ओरली कर सकते थे. यू नो व्हाट, ये जो है ना, ये आप ओरली कर सकते थे. 50 प्लस माइनस 50 प्लस 50 इंटू माइनस 50 अपॉन 100. दिस गिव्स यू माइनस 25%. ये आपका हो जाएगा सेकेंड अप्रोच. ये एसपीसी अब इन दोनों का. पहले आप 200 एंड माइनस 50 का एसपीसी निकाल लो और जो रिजल्टेंट आया उसका थर्ड के साथ एसपीसी निकाल लो. अगेन डिक्रीमेंट बाय 25%. ये अप्रोच आप ओरली कर सकते हो, सेकंड वाला. ठीक है, इट्स वेरी इजी. वेरी नाइस. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस सेट. An electric appliance is priced at rupees 600 initially. Because of market recession, price was successively reduced 3 times, each time by 10%. तो 600 minus 10%, इसका 10% होता है 60. The price would be 540. Again minus 10%, which is 54. This would be 486. Again 10%, 48.6 minus कर दो, that would be 437.4. B would be the answer to this question. B would be the answer to this question. Okay. यार जिम जाना नहीं होता यार. चलो, लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Below given is the table showing age-wise ownership of mobiles. Okay, ये टेबल है. This gives you age-wise ownership of mobiles. Okay, if 1 crore mobiles were sold last year, how many LG sets were sold? Okay, अब देखो, आपको तो लग रहा होगा कि सर ये क्वेश्चन ना, ये 1 CR है, 1 CR सेल हुआ है. हाउ मेनी LG सेट्स वेयर सोल्ड लास्ट ईयर? एक CR मोबाइल सेल हुआ है. सो LG मोबाइल whose age is up to 1 year, वो काउंट करना होगा. ऐसा आपको लग रहा होगा कि सर ये ना, ये वाला whose age is up to 1 year, ये काउंट करना होगा. ठीक है, नहीं बेटा, आई एम नॉट गुड एट दिस डेनी. बट थिंग इज ये डेटा समझो. ये डेटा क्या है? ये डेटा है, this data is something different. Let us say total LG mobiles sold were A, this was B, this was C, this was D, this was E, and this in total is 1 CR. Okay, अब A LG मोबाइल्स में 15% मोबाइल्स 1 साल पुराने थे. इस A में this 15% of A 45% ऑफ ए जो है वो 1 to 2 years ओल्ड थे, 40% ऑफ ए जो है वो 2 to 3 years ओल्ड थे, और बाकी के मोर देन 3 years। ये तो 0% है वैसे, ठीक है, आप ऐड करोगे दिस इटसेल्फ इज 100%। सो of all LG mobiles, 15% of the mobiles were up to 1 years old, 45% of the mobiles were up to 2 years old, between 1 to 2 years old, and 40% of the mobiles were between 2 to 3 years old. But we don't know this A. अगर किसी ने मुझे A बता दिया A is 50 lakh sir, then I can answer the question. A could be 50 lakh, A could be 10 lakh, A could be 10,000, A could be anything. I'm not sure of A. ये A का ब्रेकअप है, ये सब जो है ना A का ब्रेकअप है, but I don't know what is A. All I know that A plus B plus C plus D plus E is 1 CR. I am not sure of A. So answer to this question would be it cannot be determined. Answer to this question would be it cannot be determined. बोलो yes sir. स्लॉट 2 का जो क्वेश्चन था ना QA का CMAT 2018 का was more trickier than that of first slot. चलो let's move to next question boys. Let's move to next question. This one, okay. Very nice. This is 188 plus square root of 51 plus square root of 169. This can be written as square root of 188 plus square root of 51 plus 13. Okay, this can be written as square root of 188 plus square root of 64. This can be written as 188 plus 8 square root of 196 14. बच्चों वाला क्वेश्चन था. Orally you could have solved this in 10 seconds. Orally you could have solved this in 10 seconds. At least I mentioned this earlier today as well. At least 16 to 17 questions out of 20 questions which will feature in this year orally हो जाना चाहिए. At least 15 to at least 16. चलो. In what time will rupees 6250 amount to rupees 6632.55 at 4% compound interest payable half yearly? Okay, what are we expecting यार? यहाँ पे क्या expect कर रहे हैं हम? देखो, interest is charged half yearly. Again, अगर आपको ये concept clear नहीं है, half yearly compound interest को कैसे treat करते हैं, you guys will not be able to solve it. Okay, so the only question is कि 6250 ये 4% per year है, but it is charged half yearly. So how many half years it will take? How many half years it will take to reach 6632.55? Okay, how many half years it will take to reach 6632.55? ठीक है, हाँ. So and the rate of interest per half year, this is half year 1, this is half year second one, this is half year third, this is half year fourth. ठीक है, how much time it is going to take to reach 6632.55? And the interest would be 2%. 4% was for entire year. 4% was for entire year. It would be 2% for every half year. Okay, अब ये आपको करना था, ठीक है. चलो, वो what is 1%? Let's figure out what is 2% of this. इसका 2% क्या हो जाएगा इसका, और देखो एग्जैक्ट निकालेंगे नहीं, अगर हम क्लोज पहुंच रहे हैं तो विल स्टॉप. ओके, इसका 2% क्या हो जाएगा? 1% इज 62.5, 2% इज 125. ओके, सो here I'll have 6375. Okay, 2% of this is how much? 125 है ना. Now 2% of this 637.5 का क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? 63.75 क्रॉस 2 126 127.5 127.5. Add 127 to this. 127 to this would be 6400 6502 6502 6502.5. Okay, so 2 half year तो हो गए and we are at 6502.5. Definitely this is not the answer. Okay, और ये भी clear है कि I do need only how much? 132. I only need 132 के आसपास. I need the gap here is approximately 130.05. इतने का ही गैप है, इतने का ही गैप है. ओके, आई नो दैट ये गैप एक में कवर हो जाएगा, एक में कवर हो जाएगा 130 पॉइंट. सो 3 half years are required. 3 half years are required. 3 half year means 1.5 years. 3 by 2 years. Okay, this will not be the answer. This will not be the answer. If you wish, you can do the calculation or you can ignore it. आप फॉर्मूला से भी डायरेक्टली इसको कर सकते थे. आप फॉर्मूला से भी कर सकते थे. फॉर्मूला अगर आपको इसमें यूज करना था, अगर आपको फॉर्मूला यूज करना था तो फॉर्मूला इज अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू पी 1 + r/100 रेज्ड टू द पावर n. ये फॉर्मूला आपने सीखा है, ठीक है. सो द अमाउंट दैट वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग इज 6632.55. Principal that we have at disposal at 6250. 1 plus rate would be 2% because it is half yearly. This n has to be calculated. Again, it is a tedious task to figure out n. आपको approximation के method से ही जाना पड़ जाता है यहाँ भी. Hence, this was a better approach. Okay. Sure. Let's move to next question of this slot. Oh, लेकिन पहले you guys do enjoy this slide. I'll need a minute. Okay. So let's move to next question. Now, in this question, we were given expenditures of a company in lakh rupees per annum over given years in the table. What is the average salary expenditure per annum during this period? What is average salary? Average salary. Average salary is total salary divided by number of years. By number of years. What is total salary? चलो इन सबको ऐड करना पड़ेगा आपको. इन सबको ऐड करना पड़ेगा ना. Add it. 57 + 68. ये कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? 6 × 5 = 11. 125. 125 + 64 is 189. 189 + 7 is 196. 256. 256 + 4 is 260. And 70 is 330. So 3300 plus 6 2 8 8 16 2 18. 3300 plus 18 divided by 6. This is 3318 divided by 6. Okay. यार 5 में तो कोई है ही नहीं. एडिशन में गलत हो गया क्या? ये आंसर 500 समथिंग आ रहा है ना. 500 में तो कुछ है ही नहीं. लेट्स एड इट अगेन. 57 + 68 125. 125 + 64 is 189, 189, 196 plus 60, 256, 256 plus 256 plus 260, 3300, 30, अच्छा डिवाइडेड बाई 5 है ना, सॉरी, नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स इज 5, एडिशन में रॉन्ग नहीं है, ये नीचे रॉन्ग लिख दिया हमने, एडिशन में रॉन्ग नहीं है, ईयर्स 5 है, ये ईयर्स 5 है। चलो, so this is 6 times 6.6 3 663.6 663.6 बोलो यस सर, the answer is 663.6. You have to add the entire salary for the 5 years divided by 5, you'll get your answer. Average salary was asked. Chalo, let's move to next question of this set. Now in this question, number of different categories of goods sold in the city over the years was given. So TV, the sales of TV across 5 years was given, the sales of refrigerator across 5 years was given, the sales of microwave over 5 years was given, and so was for laptop and cell phones. Okay, what is asked? In which of the following years the number of refrigerator is approximately 25% of the cell phones? मतलब number of refrigerator is 25% of the cell phone, 1.4 times cell phone, मतलब cell phone is 4 times the refrigerator. For how many years cell phones is 4 times the refrigerator? For how many years the cell phone is 4 times the refrigerator? आ जाओ, approximately देखना है, approximately. So refrigerator को 4 टाइम करके देखो, cell phone मिल रहा है क्या? तो 64 into 4 is how much? 256. यहाँ पर 340 है, so नहीं. 60 into 4 is 240, यहाँ पर 336 है, नहीं. 79 into 4 is 316, and यहाँ पर 404 है, नहीं. 93 into 4 is 372, यहाँ पर 411 है, नहीं. 112 cross 4 is 448, and yeah, it is close enough. So it's roughly 25% बोल सकते हैं. Roughly 25% बोल सकते हैं. So answer to this question was 2014. This happened only in 2014. This happened only in 2014. बोलो yes sir. आगे बढ़ जाते हैं ना, आ जाओ. In the figure, PQ is the diameter, angle PQS is 35. Where is angle PQS? ये वाला angle 35 given है. Very nice. 35 given है. Find angle QRS. ये निकालना है आपको, ये निकालना है. PQ diameter है बेटा, देखो diameter है, तो angle in diameter कितना होता है? Angle in diameter, देखो सर्किल का प्रॉपर्टी है, if this is diameter ना, this AB is diameter, तो जो angle in semi circle होता है ना, this is always 90 degree. This angle would be also 90 degree. Everything, anything in the semi circle would be 90 degree. Okay, anything in this circle would be 90 degree. So this entire thing, ये जो है ना, I can proudly write कि PRS plus SRQ is 90 degrees. बोलो yes sir. And also सर्किल की एक और प्रॉपर्टी है, एंगल इन सेम सेगमेंट आर इक्वल. ये क्या होता है बेटा? ये देखो कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. ओके, ये हो गया सर्कल, ये हो गया एक कॉर्ड. अब देखो एंगल इन सेम सेगमेंट, ये एक एंगल है टॉप सेगमेंट में और ये भी एक एंगल है. सो दीज टू एंगल वुड बी इक्वल. ओके, आप ध्यान दो बेटा, यहां पर ये PS इज बिहेविंग एज अ कॉर्ड. तो ये कॉर्ड ना एक एंगल इधर बना रहा है, ये वाला, और फिर ये कॉर्ड ना एक एंगल इधर भी बना रहा है, ये वाला. So these two angles must be equal. These two angles must be equal. So this has to be 35. So PRS is 35. ठीक है. तो QRS और SRQ would be 90 minus 35, 55. बोलो yes sir. This angle would be 55 degrees. Option A was the correct answer. Very easy. Orally हो जाता है ये तो. Orally हो जाता है ये तो. Got it? So इसमें दो कंसेप्ट एक साथ इन्होंने यूज करा था. Angle in semicircle is 90 degree and angle in same segment are equal. Got it? समझ रहा है तो लिखो हैशटैग समझा. डाउट है तो लिखो हैशटैग डाउट. समझ रहा है तो लिखो हैशटैग समझा. डाउट है तो लिखो हैशटैग डाउट. चलो लेट्स मूव अहेड. Which of the following is true? Very nice. How to deal such questions? Certs. Okay. Y is 5, 4. Very nice, boys. Okay. Now this can also be written as 5 1 by 6, wherein this can be written as, इसको ऊपर नीचे लिखते हैं ज्यादा बेटर रहेगा. B you think, देखो x equals 6 this and y equals 5. Now how to treat such questions? इसमें आपको ना इनका पावर सेम करना होता है. That's it. So this can be written as 5 raised to the power 1 by 6. And this can be written as 4 raised to the power 1 by 5. 6 and 5 का LCM होता है 30. We will try to make it 30. So 30 के लिए what we will have to do? 1 by 6 multiplied by 5 by 5. So this is 5 upon 30. Okay. And इसको क्या करेंगे हम बेटा? 4 1 by 5 cross 6 by 6 equals 4 6 by 30. Okay, ये पावर में है. Now this can be written as 30 5 raised to the power 5, and this can be written as 30 4 raised to the power 6. Okay, अब बस it all depends on 5 raised to the power 5 and 4 raised to the power 6. What is 5 raised to the power 5? 5 raised to the power 5 is 5 25 125 625 3125. This is 3125. And what is this? 4 4 16 64 256 1024. 4 times 4096. So definitely y is greater than x. Definitely y is greater than x. Am I clear with this? इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में ऑलवेज यू हैव टू फॉलो दिस अप्रोच. पावर सेम करो एंड देन फिगर आउट. वेरी नाइस. लेट्स जंप टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्या करेंगे हम लोग? विल जंप टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आ जाओ बेटा. इफ a and b are positive real numbers and a asterisk b denotes square root of ab, what is the value of 8 asterisk 4 asterisk 16? I know that a asterisk b means square root of ab. So this 4 asterisk 16 would be square root of 4 into 16. Yes or no? So now what do we have? 8 asterisk root 64 or 8 asterisk 8. Again, asterisk here means square root of 8 into 8. This is nothing but 8 itself. This is nothing but 8 itself. CMAT 2018 slot 2 actual paper. Okay, CMAT 2018 slot 2. Let's jump to the next question. Let's jump again. ये question भी orally होना चाहिए, and CMAT में ना you don't have that option, you don't have that room for error. You simply cannot commit any error. ध्यान रखो. The average age of 3 men. Let the men be A, B, and C. Let the men be A, B, and C. So the average age of A, B, and C is 50. So what they are saying, sir, A plus B plus C by 3 equals 50. From here we can calculate that the total of A, B, and C is how much? 150. Their ages are in proportion 3:5:7, the age of the youngest man. So 150 has to be divided in the ratio 3:5:7. Okay, 3:5:7. So how you'll divide 150 into 3:5:7? Let us say A का age is 3x, B का age is 5x, C का age is 7x. I can write 15x equals 150, x equals 10. So the ages are A का age would be 30, B का age would be 50, C का age would be 70. The youngest one of them is A, aged 30. The youngest one of them is A, aged 30. Let's jump to the next question. By selling mangoes at the rate of Want to take a minute? Oh yeah, I don't have my water bottle with me. Never mind. Let's continue. By selling mangoes at the rate of 64 for rupees 20,000, the vendor loses 40%. Okay. So, selling price of one mango कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? Selling price of 64 mangoes is 2,000. तो selling price of one mango कितना है छोटू? Don't spam यार. कोई point है क्या इसका? You actually think इसका कोई भी point है? चलो. What is the selling price of one mango? इसको cancel out करो. 4 से जाएगा 500 upon 16 में. Again 4 से जाएगा 125 upon 4 में. ये जाएगा 31.25 में. Yes or no? So selling price of one mango is 31.25. Now the vendor has incurred a loss of 40%. So cost price of one mango, I can proudly write now that cost price of one mango multiplied by 0.6 is 31.25. Yes or no? Because it has incurred a loss of 40%. So what is left? 60% of cost price. I can write this. So cost price would be how much? 31.25 divided by 0.6. Okay. So this would be 3125 upon 60. ठीक है. ये कितना आ रहा है बेटा? Tell me. ये किसके अप्रोक्सीमेटली आ रहा है? ठीक है, ये आ रहा है सर 52 पॉइंट समथिंग. सो हम इसको 52 ले लेते हैं. दिस इज क्लोज टू 52. दिस इज क्लोज टू 52. Yes or no? This is close to 52. I can say the cost price is close to 52. Now in second case, we have cost price as 52. We want to earn a profit of 20%. What should be the selling price? The selling price should be 52, 10.4 add कर दो. 62.4 should be the selling price. हाँ या ना? Cost price is 52. Cost price is 52 and 20% का profit, so 62.4. ठीक है, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 62.5 कर लो, क्लोज कर लो, अप्रोक्सीमेट आंसर देना है वैसे भी 62.5. Now 62.5 should be the selling price of one mango and we have 1000 rupees. Okay, how many should I sell? How many should I sell? Total selling price कितना है बेटा? Total selling price is given as 1000. Okay, so number of mangoes would be, number of mangoes I must sell would be 1000 divided by 62.5, and this is close to 16 ना, 1662 times में हो रहा है 992 के आसपास, 998 के आसपास, 9 एग्जैक्टली 1000 हो जा रहा है, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, एग्जैक्टली 1000 हो जा रहा है, एग्जैक्टली 1000 हो जा रहा है. सो दिस गोज इन 16 टाइम्स. 16 was answer to this question. Am I clear with this? Yes sir, you are clear with this. क्या है question यार? नहीं, you guys have prepared for CAT. आपने CAT को अगर 30% हार्ड से भी प्रिपेयर किया होगा ना, all these questions are piece of cake for you guys. All of these questions are piece of cake for you guys. चलो, the 18th question of this slot was the area of a triangle metal plate with base is given as 88 centimeters, and altitude means height. Altitude is nothing but height, or 64 centimeter, is to be reduced to 1/4 of its original area. Okay, what is the area then? What is the area then? Half into base into height? Half into base into height. Area of a triangle. हीरोज फार्मूला तो है ही, हीरोज फार्मूला, ठीक है, बट हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट भी होता है. सो व्हाट इज दिस एरिया, ये बताना. 44 इंटू 64, ये कितना हो जाता है? 44 क्रॉस 64, डू टेल मी. 44 cross 64. Okay, we need calculator for this. 44 cross 64. 2816. This is 2816. Now, what they are saying, चलो ये हो गया. Give me a second. 3, 2, 1, go. Chalo. Now, this has to be reduced to 1/4 of its original area by making a hole. Okay. So, area of hole should be 3/4 times area of triangle. Yes or no? You want the area of this to be reduced by 1/4. मतलब area of hole should be 3/4 times the area of triangle. So 3/4 times 2816. ये कितना हो जाता है आपको? 700 and this is 704 2112. 2112 should be the area of the hole. So what is the radius is what they're asking. The radius of this hole would be, so all I can write, pi into r square must be 2112. 22 by 7 into r square must be 2112. R square is 2112 cross 7 upon 22. 11 से जा रहा है क्या ये 2 टाइम्स में? ठीक है, और ये जाएगा 1, तो 101 192 टाइम्स में जाएगा. सो ये अगेन जाएगा कितने टाइम्स में? 96 टाइम्स में. सो So r square is 96 cross 7. Okay. Okay. So this is 16 cross 6 cross 7. So r square is 16 cross 6 cross 7. R would be square root of 16 cross 6 cross 7. तो 4 रूट 42 ये बाहर आ जाएगा ना, 16 बाहर आ जाएगा, 4 and 7 6 the 42. 4 root 42 would have been the answer to this question. ये लेंदी भी था थोड़ा, ये थोड़ा लेंदी भी था. चलो, am I clear with this? The flow of this question was this, this, and then this, and then this. This is the flow. Shall we jump to next question? You guys can always pause it and you can observe the solution. Okay. The next question. What is this value close to 3 places of decimal? Okay, chalo, very nice. I know that conjugate pairs है, sorry. 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3 into conjugate pairs है ना, तो हम इसको multiply कर देंगे, rationalize करेंगे इसको. What we will get would be square root of 2 plus root 3 whole square upon 4 minus 3. So that would be nothing but square root of 2 plus root 3 square. So square root से बाहर निकलेगा, so that would be 2 plus root 3. Okay, so this is 2 plus 1.732. That is 3.732. 3.732. What's the answer to this question? 19th question का answer was 3.732. Bolo, yes sir. Correct to 3 places of decimal. I know that root 3 is 1.732. Correct to 3 decimal places. वो हमने use कर लिया. Jumping to next question. Allegation का question है, a mixture of petrol and kerosene weighing 5 kg contains 5% kerosene. Okay, how much more kerosene must be added into it to make it 10%? Okay, so what do we have? Let us assume कि आपके पास okay 5 kg है already, so 5000 grams है आपके पास. इसमें you have kerosene, you have water. How much kerosene you have? You have 5% kerosene. What is 5% of this? 250 grams of kerosene. And you have 4750 grams of water. Okay. Very nice. How much more kerosene must be added into it to make it 10%? Okay. अच्छा, final mixture में what do you want? You want 10% kerosene. Okay, let us say, देखो, final mixture में let us add x grams of kerosene. Okay, so total would be 5000 plus x grams, and this is now 10% of this. Yes or no? आप इसको ऐसे कैलकुलेट कर लो, or you can write 4750. Water is how much? 90% of 5000 plus x. आप इसको सॉल्व करो, या तो आप इसको सॉल्व करो सॉरी गाइस, या फिर आप इसको सॉल्व करो. 250 plus x kerosene is 10% of 5000 plus x. आप इन दोनों में किसी को भी सॉल्व कर लो. ओके, दोनों दोनों एक ही चीज है, देखने का नजरिया। अगर आप केरोसिन का रेफरेंस लेते हो सो फाइनल मिक्सचर में केरोसिन के रेफरेंस से ये इक्वेशन बनेगा और वाटर के रेफरेंस में ये इक्वेशन बनेगा। बोलो यस सर। In both of these cases, when you solve it, you'll get x as 277.5. X close to 277 आपको मिलेगा. So, from the given options, the closest is 275. From the given options, closest is 275. Okay. Sure. मैं एक आपके लिए कर देता हूँ, मैं ना वाटर का रेफरेंस ले लेता हूँ. This would be 4750 equals 0.9 into 5000 plus x. This gives me 4750 upon 0.9 equals 5000 plus x. This is 5277 point something something equals 5000 plus x and x would be 277. ये मैंने वाटर के रेफरेंस से सॉल्व किया. ठीक है, वाटर के रेफरेंस से. क्यों वाटर का रेफरेंस लिया? केरोसिन का भी ले सकते थे, केरोसिन का भी ले सकते थे, बट 2 बार x था, वॉज बेटर कि वाटर का लेते तो एक ही बार x है. करेक्ट. वेरी नाइस. लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अगेन. डू ऑब्जर्व दिस गाइस. 9 PM को हम लोग मिलेंगे डेली, लेकिन कल के दिन के लिए हम लोग मिलेंगे 2 PM एज वेल. 2 PM plus 9 PM. वेरी नाइस. जो लोग बाद में देख रहे हैं बॉयज, अगर आपको कुछ ऐसा है जो नहीं मिल रहा, यू गैस कैन रीच मी ओवर माई टेलीग्राम चैनल. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. आई विल शेयर यू द लिंक्स ऑफ द रेलेवेंट क्लासेस. I'll share you the link of the relevant classes. Very nice. Let's jump to the next question. A student who gets 20% marks fails by 20 marks. But another student who gets 36% marks gets 44 marks more than the minimum passing marks. Let us say total marks to be 100x. Let us assume that the total marks is how much? 100x. पहला स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट scored how much marks? First student scored 20% marks, 20x, but he fails by 20 marks. So what is the passing marks? Passing marks कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? Passing marks would be 20x plus 20. I mean he scored 20%, but वो 20 marks से फेल हो गया. अगर उसको 20 marks और आ जाता तो वो पास कर जाता. So this is the passing marks. अगर हम फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट का रेफरेंस लेते हैं तो ओके. सेकेंड स्टूडेंट का रेफरेंस अगर लिया, तो सेकेंड स्टूडेंट स्कोर्ड हाउ मच मार्क्स? 36% मार्क्स. तो 36x एंड उसको 44 मार्क्स ज्यादा आ गए. तो अगर उसके मार्क्स में अगर हम 44 माइनस कर दे तो हमें पासिंग मार्क्स मिल जाएगा ना. सेकेंड स्टूडेंट के मार्क्स में अगर हम 44 माइनस कर दे, पासिंग मार्क्स मिल जाएगा. Unfortunately, both of these marks has to be equal. I can proudly write 20x plus 20 is 36x minus 44, or 16x equals 64, x equals 4. x 4 है तो total marks बेटा would be 100 into 4, 400. बोलो yes sir. Total marks would be 400. Option A गया, option B गया. I know that 20% is not the passing marks. ये भी गया. This would be the answer. आप passing marks निकाल भी सकते थे. आपके पास 2 है इक्वेशन. x कहीं भी पुट कर दो, x पुट कर दो. पहले वाले में क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? x 4 है, passing marks would be 100. इसमें भी passing marks 100 ही आएगा. So that is 25% of the total marks. Okay, Avdesh Kumar saying very nice. Let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. Now, if 26 horses or 20 bullocks eat up the fodder in store in 170 days. Very nice. 26 horses or 20 bullocks. Now, ये जो question am I आवाज आ रही है ना guys? चलो ठीक है. Now 26 horses or 20 bullocks eat up the fodder in store in 170 days. अच्छा लेट अस से एक हॉर्स ना एक दिन में h यूनिट ईट करता है. एक हॉर्स एक दिन में h यूनिट ईट करता है एंड एक बुलॉक बी वन हॉर्स h यूनिट्स पर डे. ठीक है. एंड वन बुलॉक b यूनिट्स पर डे. ठीक है. b यूनिट्स पर डे. ठीक है. सो व्हाट वी कैन राइट 26 हॉर्सेस एक दिन में कितना ईट करेंगे बेटा 26 एच एंड टोटल द टाइम दे विल टेक इज 170. हाँ सिद्धार्थ प्लेलिस्ट बन रही है छोटू. ठीक है. एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू 20 ब्लॉक्स ईटिंग इट इन 170 डेज. एक हॉर्स एच यूनिट्स पर डे. टोटल 26 हॉर्स एक दिन में 26 एच ईट करेंगे एंड 170 डेज में पूरा खाना खा जाएंगे. सो टोटल फूड इज हाउ मच 26 एच इंटू 170. ब्लॉक के एंगल से देखे, अगर ब्लॉक के एंगल से देखे तो एक दिन में 20 बी और टोटल 170 डेज में ब्लॉक्स भी खाना खा जाएंगे. सो टोटल फूड इज 20 बी इंटू 170. इससे आपको एच और बी का रिलेशनशिप मिल जाएगा. एच और बी का रिलेशनशिप मिल जाएगा. बी बाई एच is 26 upon 20. So B is how much? B is 1.3 times H. Very nice. ये मिल गया. B is 1.3 times H. This was the agenda of the first part. In what time 10 horses and 8 bullocks finish the same quantity? So 10 horses and 8 bullocks. Okay. 10 horses plus 8 bullocks. In how many days? In how many days? In how many days will finish the food? Food कितना है बेटा? हम काम करेंगे B को H में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. So food H के टर्म्स में लिखते हैं. Total food is 26 H into 170. Food has to be equated every time. Food has to be equated every time. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में food will be equated every time. So I can proudly write this as 10H plus 8 into 1.3. 8 into 1.3H. यहाँ से put किया. Okay. Into days that has to be figured out. And 26H cross 170. Okay. 8 3 का 10.4. So this is 20.4H into days equals 26H into 170. H से H cancel out हो गया बेटा. The days would be 26 cross 170 upon 20.4. Okay. ये जो भी होगा should be the answer. Let's check this out. 26 into 170, 26 cross 170 divided by 20.4, 216.66. This is 216.66. So D would be the right answer to this question. D would be the right answer to this question. Got it? D would be the right answer to this question. Shall we move to the next question? Let's move to the next question. Oh, 23rd question. A boat covers 24 km upstream and 72 km downstream in 8 hours. Let speed of boat be SB and speed of stream be SS. ठीक है, तो बेटा स्पीड अपस्ट्रीम कितना हो जाएगा? स्पीड अपस्ट्रीम हो जाएगा छोटू एस बी माइनस एस एस. अपस्ट्रीम क्या होता है? यू मूव अगेंस्ट द फ्लो ऑफ द वाटर. एंड स्पीड डाउनस्ट्रीम कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? स्पीड डाउनस्ट्रीम वुड बी एस बी प्लस एस एस. ओके, नाउ let's check out the first part. 24 kilometers upstream and 72 kilometers downstream. So 24 kilometers upstream SB minus SS plus time taken in 72 kilometer downstream. 72 kilometer downstream SB plus SS. This is given as 8. This is given as 8. Time taken to cover 24 km upstream would be 24 upon speed upstream. Time taken to cover 72 kilometers downstream is 72 upon speed downstream. And the second is 48 km upstream. 48 km upstream SB minus SS plus 108 km downstream SB plus SS. This is 14. Okay, very nice. आपको ये सॉल्व, टू इक्वेशंस टू वेरिएबल्स, इट कैन बी सॉल्व. हम इसको और इजी तरीके से क्या कर लेंगे? वी विल assume 1 by SB plus SSB, सॉरी SB minus SS ना पहले कर लेंगे. assume 1 by SB minus SS को हम x assume कर लेते हैं. 1 by SB plus SS को हम y assume कर लेते हैं. So these equations can be rewritten as 24x plus 72y equals 8 and 48x plus 108y is 14. Okay. आपको ये सॉल्व करना है. मल्टीप्लाई इट बाई 2. what you will get is can also be written as 48x plus 144y equals 16. So this gives me, when you subtract these two equations, इन दोनों को subtract करोगे, इसको 1 बोल दो, इसको 2 बोल दो, इसको 3 बोल दो. आपने जब 3 minus 2 किया, what you will get? You will get 36y as 2y is 1 by 18. y मिल जाएगा आपको 1 by 18. Put y 1 by 18 in any of the equations. Put y in 1, you'll get x. x कितना है बेटा? आज जो कर लेते हैं उसको. y है मेरा 1 by 18 पुट किया 1 में, तो 4x 1 by 6 आ जाएगा. x आ जाएगा 1 by 6. बोलो यस सर. नो, व्हाट वाज माय y? मेरा y क्या था? मेरा y था, चेक दिस आउट. अगेन आई नीड सम स्पेस. आई एम टेकिंग दिस आउट. So, देखो, my x is 1 by एस बी माइनस एस एस इक्वल्स एक्स विच इज 1/6। तो एस बी माइनस एस एस कितना हो गया छोटू? एस बी माइनस एस एस कितना हो गया? 6। एंड 1/एस बी प्लस एस एस मेरा वाई था विच इज 1/18। तो एस बी प्लस एस एस इज 18। अब आपको ये 4 और 5 सॉल्व करना है, 4 and 5 to figure out SB and SS which was asked in this question. Okay, so 12 and 6 आएगा। आप इसको जब ऐड करोगे तो 2 times SB, आप इनको 4 और 5 को ऐड करोगे तो 2 times SB is 24, SB is 12 and when SB is 12 ये 6। बोलो yes sir, am I clear with this? Let's jump to the next question. Okay, a shopkeeper sells rice at the cost price but uses false weight. He gains 20% in this process. What weight does he uses for 1 kilogram? What weight he uses for 1 kilogram? Okay, चलो, very nice. ये फॉल्टी मेजरमेंट का क्वेश्चन है, फॉल्टी मेजरमेंट का। ठीक है, आई एम गिविंग यू दिस फॉर्मूला फॉल्टी मेजरमेंट के लिए। 100 प्लस जी अपॉन 100 प्लस एक्स इक्वल्स ट्रू मेजरमेंट अपॉन फॉल्टी मेजरमेंट, वेर इन जी क्या है? जी क्या है? प्रॉफिट परसेंट बिकॉज ऑफ कॉस्ट डिफरेंस। ठीक है, एंड एक्स इज ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट परसेंट। ओके, जी क्या है बेटा मेरा? जी है मेरा प्रॉफिट परसेंट बिकॉज ऑफ कॉस्ट डिफरेंस, ये कॉस्ट है। ओके, एंड एक्स इज माई ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट परसेंट। ठीक है, नाउ इस क्वेश्चन के लिए व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ जी? फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन जी इज 0। क्यों? बिकॉज ही सेल्स द राइस एट द कॉस्ट प्राइस। ही सेल्स द राइस एट द कॉस्ट प्राइस, तो कॉस्ट में कोई डिफरेंस ही नहीं है, तो कॉस्ट डिफरेंस की वजह से द प्रॉफिट इज 0। he gains 20% in this process. This is my x. X is overall profit percent ना, वो 20% faulty measurement से जो earn करता है, that is 20%. Okay, 1 kilogram is my true measurement. True measurement is 1000 grams. आपको faulty measurement निकालना था। ठीक है, put these values 100 plus 0 upon 100 plus 20 equals 1000 upon faulty measurement. This is 5/6,000 upon faulty measurement. Okay, what is faulty measurement? Faulty measurement is 1000 cross 6 upon 5. Wait it, 100 plus g upon, give me a second. Oops, ये उल्टा मैंने बता दिया आपको। G is overall profit percent. G is overall profit percent. G is overall profit percent, guys. ये उल्टा बता दिया मैंने आपको। ठीक है, ये उल्टा हो जाएगा। ये मैंने उल्टा बता दिया आपको। G is overall profit percent, X is this, ठीक है। चलो आ जाओ, G is overall profit percent, X is profit percent because of cost difference. Now 100 plus G upon 100 plus 0 equals true measurement upon faulty measurement. Okay, so this gave me 120 upon 100 equals 100 upon faulty measurement. This is 6 by 5. So faulty measurement is nothing but 100 cross 5 upon 6. This is 500 by 6. 83 8000 है, तो यहाँ पे एक जीरो और आएगा, so एक जीरो और आएगा, 833.33। एंड दिस इज ऑलवेज एप्लीकेबल। ये जो है ना फॉल्टी मेजरमेंट का, दिस इज ऑलवेज एप्लीकेबल। G is overall profit, X is profit because of cost difference, profit because of cost difference, और you can apply this formula always। ये सारा confusion eliminate कर देता है। We will solve multiple questions based on this concept. We will solve multiple questions based on this concept when we will be learning mixtures and allegations. या ये प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस का पार्ट है, फॉल्टी मेजरमेंट एंड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस। चलो, okay, so we are done with today's session, guys. These are our toppers. Now we are not going to learn anything new. You guys can go and enjoy your remaining day. Only those will stay here जिनको plus related कुछ query है, okay. So these are our toppers. We have produced 200 plus toppers this year, okay. And for the same we are launching two batches, एक 5th of January को and एक 16th of January को। You can attend both of the batches. Top educators of the country will cover the entire syllabus. इस बैच में बेसिक टू एडवांस पूरा कवर होगा, मार्क्स भी होगा, डाउट सेशंस भी है, प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग को भी लेके हेल्प करते हैं, रिवीजन भी है इस बैच में, एवरीथिंग इज देयर। इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी यू गाइस कैन रीच मी आउट ओवर माय टेलीग्राम चैनल। अगर आपको कुछ पूछना है रिगार्डिंग द बैच और एनीथिंग, यू गाइस कैन रीच मी आउट ऑन माय टेलीग्राम चैनल। मुझे पर्सनल मैसेज ड्रॉप कर दो, when we can discuss it over there. चलो गाइस, अच्छा प्राइसिंग, अच्छा ये टेस्ट है, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइस। ये यूसीएसटी टेस्ट है, आज एक हुआ, ठीक है। इसमें इफ यू स्कोर 1 to 5, इफ यू आर बिटवीन 1 to 5 रैंक, यू गेट 100% स्कॉलरशिप। अगला टेस्ट 29 जैन को है, तो आप फ्री में सब्सक्रिप्शन ले सकते हो इफ यू एस दिस एग्जामिनेशन, ओके। GDPI VAT के लिए we are offering a 2-month subscription, separate subscription for 8,000 rupees. Up for more you can reach me out personally on Telegram. I'll let you know कि ये कैसे सब्सक्राइब करना है। ये GDPI VAT के लिए है, for those who are getting calls this year, ये उनके लिए है, okay. चलो guys, let's sign up for the day. We'll meet tomorrow again at 2 p.m. and then at 9 p.m.